This is a e-bicycle conversion kit. The cycle runs on a 36V 250W hub motor. The kit contains a LED panel with the power button and mode assist. There are two modes supported, that is pedal assist and controller. The panel has three buttons, that is power button, mode button and light. It also shows the battery level. The battery is a 36V lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The battery takes about a charge time of 2 hours in a single charge. One charge runs about for 20 to 25 kilometers at a go.